If NASA really touched down on the moon, why didn't they do it in full daylight so we could actually see something? Hold that thought, because once you picture what daylight really looks like on a surface with no clouds, no air, and no shadows, things get weird fast. Think about this. On Earth, daylight bounces around because of our atmosphere. In deserts, bright light washes everything out. Now imagine filming on a surface that's supposedly 10 times brighter, with no air to soften anything. Cameras back then struggled with regular sunlight on Earth, yet we're told they handled raw, unfiltered solar blast from a sunlit moon, with no glare, no overexposure, no blown-out horizon. And the background always looks still, like a perfectly lit studio backdrop where nothing ever flickers. So here's the idea. Maybe daylight wasn't used because it would have revealed too much, too many reflections, too many inconsistencies, too much detail that couldn't be controlled. Think of how filmmakers shoot reflective surfaces. They avoid harsh light because it exposes every mistake. Think of how studio sets use angled lamps to mimic dawn. And, well, think of how early cameras couldn't handle extreme brightness without turning everything into a glowing blob. Now, compare that to the footage we've all seen. Calm lighting, soft edges, a sky darker than black velvet, and shadows that somehow behave like they're inside a controlled room instead of a vast open landscape. Does that feel like raw daylight or good direction?